Let's start on the high level updates this week. We have some amazing updates. This is week 41. And the latest update we have is the Workflow AI Builder, which I'm super excited about. High level is constantly rolling out new features. First, I want to show you where you can turn it on. So you need to be in your agency account. Once you are in the agency account, you need to click on Settings. Go to Labs at the left bottom side. And then here are all the new features you can turn on. Workflow building using AI. But here are under Labs are all the new features you can turn on. But I just want to show that I tested it. So I told it when I received a book call, make a follow-up workflow with emails and SMS. And then this is what it gave back to me. So the trigger is going to be a call booking, and then it's going to send a confirmation email, confirmation SMS. It made a subject line. The full email is here. And then same on the SMS. And then wait 2 days before the reminder. Send a follow-up 1 day before the call. It's going to send a follow-up. So this is what happened if you just send it a super easy prompt, super simple, nothing specific. But just like with ChatGPT, it gets better the more specific you get. So to access this, you'll have to be in your sub-account level, in high level, and then you need to go to automation. And under automation, you is build using AI. So this is what we are going to do. And then you have a chat window pop up. And then you need to be as detailed as you can. So I have some prompts that we can use. It supports simple descriptions such as create a 3-week marketing drip or some more detailed specifications as well. So we'll try this one. This is when a form is submitted, send SMS to lead, wait 5 minutes for response. If no response, create a call task, and if they respond, add tag. So I'll show you just in a second, but we have the workflow ready that we just entered earlier. So it has the if no response. So if they responded, we'll add a tag replied. And if not, it's going to create a call task. This time we just do the create a 3-week marketing drip. So this is just going to be something more generic, and let's see what it comes up with. So create 3-week marketing drip, enter. All right. And it's ready. So it took about 2 minutes. But here's the workflow for the 3-week marketing drip. So I didn't give it any directions. It wasn't sure how to start. So the trigger for this now is a new contact created. And then it's going to be wait 1 hour before sending the first communication. And the first email is going to be a welcome and introduction. And it actually keeps it super generic. So it won't say anything about your brand. But yeah, sending out an email like this, I'm not sure if this would be helpful, because we are excited to have you on our brand and what we have to offer, our mission. But it's pretty nice considering we gave it just a one-liner prompt. So if you can get super specific, or you can just send a voice note, send a 10-minute voice note, take the transcription with ChatGPT and then send that to the AI, it's going to be just better and better workflows. So the opportunities are endless. I'm looking forward to trying this, and then maybe I'll make some new updates on the coming live videos or just a regular video on how you can utilize this tool. Alright, that's all for today. But if you have any more questions regarding meta ads or high-level strategies, just let me know, comment down below the video, and I'll make sure to respond to them. Otherwise, in the description, you are going to find 2 links. The first is going to be my free Skool community. Currently, we have over 360 members, and it's the perfect place if you are just starting on your journey with meta ads on high level, and it's completely free. So you are welcome to join. It's a great community. And if you are looking for something more, there's a 14-day free trial to high level, and it's also going to give you a free access to my paid community, which is currently $47 per month. So you can grab the free trial using the link in my description, and then I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.